Have you ever found yourself lying in bed, wide awake, counting sheep with no success? It's like your mind just won't switch off, right? Well, here's a fascinating fact. What you eat before bed can actually be your secret weapon to drifting into a peaceful slumber. I've been where you are, trying every trick in the book for better sleep. And after diving into some incredible research, I found out that certain foods can work better than sleeping pills to help you relax, rest, and recharge. Today, I'm here to share these foods with you. In this video, we're going to reveal 9 amazing foods, backed by science, that can actually help you sleep better, naturally. Stick around to the end because I'll even show you a delicious bedtime snack recipe that blends these sleep-boosting ingredients perfectly. So, grab a comfy seat, and let's dive in. We all know sleep is essential, but do you know why it's so crucial for your health? Sleep isn't just about resting. It's when your body works its magic, repairing muscles, refreshing your mind, and strengthening your immune system. Good sleep keeps us energetic and focused. But without it, well, we risk so much more than feeling tired. When you're sleep deprived, you're more likely to experience issues like weight gain, heart problems, diabetes, and even depression. And here's something to think about. While sleep medications might seem like an easy fix, they don't solve the root problem. Instead, focusing on natural sleep aids, like certain foods, can support your body's natural processes, leading to healthier, deeper rest. Now, let's get into the best foods to help you sleep soundly. Kiwis might be small, but they pack a big punch for sleep health. This delicious fruit is rich in serotonin, a natural chemical that regulates sleep cycles. So, how does it work? Think of serotonin as the calm down signal for your brain. Plus, kiwi is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and E that protect brain health and enhance sleep. A study from Taiwan found that people who ate 2 kiwis an hour before bedtime fell asleep faster and had a higher quality of sleep. Imagine that, just adding this tiny fruit to your evening routine can help you sleep more soundly. And for kids watching this, yes, kiwi is yummy and can be your new bedtime buddy for a good night's sleep. Chamomile tea has been known for centuries as a natural sleep remedy. It contains a powerful antioxidant called apigenin, which calms the mind and reduces anxiety. Apigenin binds to specific brain receptors that signal your body to relax, making it easier to drift off. Imagine sitting with a warm cup of chamomile tea an hour before bed. You feel calmer, your thoughts slow down, and sleep feels like it's only moments away. Research shows that people who drink chamomile tea before bed report falling asleep faster and waking up less during the night. So, if you're looking for a simple and soothing way to end your day, chamomile tea is the perfect bedtime drink. Bananas are a fantastic snack for winding down. They're full of potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that relax your muscles and prevent nighttime cramps. Think of them as nature's way of saying, take it easy. Bananas also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your brain produce serotonin. Here's a quick trick: enjoy a banana about 30 minutes before bed. The natural sugars and tryptophan work together to ease your mind and help you fall asleep faster. It's easy, tasty, and perfect for a restful night. Believe it or not, a little honey before bed can work wonders. Honey helps by slightly raising insulin levels, which lets tryptophan enter the brain more easily, ultimately boosting melatonin production, the hormone that signals bedtime. Add a spoonful to a cup of chamomile tea or drizzle it over oatmeal to enhance its sleep-promoting effects. This small addition can help you relax and drift off into a calm and refreshing sleep. Turkey is well known for being rich in tryptophan, the same sleep-inducing amino acid found in bananas. Turkey's high protein content also keeps you feeling full throughout the night, preventing any midnight snack cravings. If you often wake up hungry, a small serving of turkey before bed might be just what you need. Studies show that tryptophan-rich foods like turkey can help you fall asleep faster and experience deeper, more restful sleep. So, if you're looking for a filling yet sleep-inducing option for dinner, turkey is a fantastic choice. Almonds are a great source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a critical role in regulating sleep. Magnesium helps reduce stress and lower cortisol levels, the hormone that can keep you up at night. Additionally, almonds contain melatonin, which is essential for signaling to your body that it's time to sleep. A handful of almonds before bed can help you relax and prepare your body for sleep. Incorporating almonds into your evening routine can lead to a more restful and refreshing night. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast, it's an excellent option for a pre-bedtime snack. Rich in carbs, magnesium, and melatonin, oatmeal calms your nervous system and helps stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the night. This means no middle-of-the-night hunger pangs interrupting your sleep. Try adding banana slices, a spoonful of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra sleep-boosting benefits. This combination can help set the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. Tart cherries are one of the only natural sources of melatonin. Studies have shown that drinking tart cherry juice or eating cherries before bed can improve sleep duration and quality. In one study, participants who drank cherry juice twice daily slept for over an hour longer than those who didn't. For a sweet, natural sleep aid, try having a handful of cherries or a small glass of tart cherry juice in the evening. It's a delicious way to prepare for a restful night's sleep. Walnuts are not only rich in melatonin but also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health and help regulate sleep. Studies suggest that eating walnuts can improve the quality and duration of sleep, making them a perfect bedtime snack. A small handful of walnuts before bed can boost melatonin levels naturally, helping you relax and prepare for a good night's rest. Now that you know the best foods for better sleep, let's put them together into one amazing bedtime snack. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of oats, 1 sliced banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, a handful of walnuts, 1 cup of milk or plant-based milk, a pinch of cinnamon. Instructions: 1. In a pot, bring the milk to a simmer. 2. Add the oats and cook until soft and creamy, about 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Remove from heat and stir in the banana, honey, and walnuts. 4. Sprinkle with cinnamon for extra flavor. 5. Enjoy this cozy bowl about 30 minutes before bed for the ultimate sleep boost. Incorporating these sleep-friendly foods into your diet can make a huge difference in your sleep quality. Remember, good sleep isn't a luxury, it's essential for a healthy and happy life. By making these small adjustments to what you eat, you can enhance your sleep naturally, leading to more energy, better mood, and improved overall health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite bedtime snack? Thank you for watching, and here's to better sleep and a healthier you.